Hello, Nurserylive. I'm Sneha Chatterjee from Pune. So this is my sanctuary, you can say, the best part in my place. So starting with this is orchid, some May plant, miniature version of aloe, orchid, miniature orchid. You can see the stems going over here to this flowers. Now they are drying out, so I need to just cut them off so that then wait for the new one. One more orchid. This is vanilla orchid, anthurium red, one of my favorite Christmas cactus. You can see white, and this one is pink. Hadia. These are amaryllis lily. I potted the bulb and they are having leaves now. And there are three a plant. You just need to sprinkle water, and once in a month you just need to provide liquid fertilizers. That's how they grow. And this one is ficus bonsai. These are calonche, red and yellow, chrysanthemum, gymno, uh, some baby seedling saplings of orchids, gymno, orchids. Okay, coming up, there are some regular plants, money plant, hibiscus, and this general plants. So, over here, this is lemongrass. These are heart hoya, one of my favorite, gardenia plant, curry leaves. One more succulent. These are fishbone cactus. You can see this one, fishbone cactus. A big plumeria standing tall. Over there. Now let's move on to this Christmas plant. Some more calonche, Drusilla ovata, and this one is lemongrass. This one is my water lily pond. You can see one water lily bloomed last week. Some rose plants, Asiatic lily bulb, and hyacinth and tulip bulb. So this is my small sanctuary, and I hope you people like it. Please like and share, and have a happy morning and happy winter. It's so cold in Pune. Thanks a lot. Wish you all the best. Thank you.